Hey, what's poppin', you guys? I'm back with another episode today, all right? Today we're gonna be rolling with some more legs, y'all. We're gonna see how this shit goes today. It's another one of them days that's like feeling a little janky, but all right. I don't know if I'm gonna hit records because I fasted yesterday. I had a protein shake this morning, shoot for around like I think I had like 40 grams of protein in there, but still, I'm still a little beat to hell after that fasting. I'm not fasting for any fat loss purposes. Really, my biggest reason to fast is just because I want to work more on my appetite control. Because growing up, I used to definitely have issues with my emotional eating. I used to definitely just eat whenever I felt anything. You know, if I'm happy, sad, stressed, anything, I'd be eating, reaching for anything that's close to me, right? So, I mean, nothing's really changed other than now I have healthier options in front of me. So that's really my biggest lever that I've pulled, changing the different foods that I have in my house. But other than that, I'm still working on the appetite control. All right, so moving on from that, we're on our first warm-up set, hitting some squats today. All right, we're gonna see how this shit goes. My back is a little, I mean, it's pretty good. It's not feeling super janky because yesterday I hit deadlifts and I went pretty hard, but still, I think I'm up for some numbers today. So let's see what we got. Let's do it. Set one of warm-ups. Hey, what? Hold on. Ugh. That's it for that first warm-up set. Feeling all right. All right, first working set here. I'm going to raw dog it. No knee sleeves, no belt for this one. I just want to, every once in a while, you got to work on that just pure raw strength. So that's what I'm going to try out right here. All right, let's do this shit. Ooh, just how I like it. Raw dogging it. Come on. All right, 4. I had another one left, but I didn't want to go too crazy for that first set. Let's call it for that one. Come on. All right, y'all. First big working set here. That 3 plates was just like my warm-up working set. I'm gonna go for 2 or 3 of these, 2, 3 sets. I don't know how much reps I'm gonna get. Maybe 4. Let's shoot for 4, 3, 4. Let's see what we got. This shit was moving pretty good last week. Let's see what we got today, ladies and gents. Come on. Okay. So one of these boards. Let's do this shit. Come on. Oh, we still got 4 of them bitches though. Somehow, some way. Fuck. All right, y'all. Ooh, this will be my second big boy set of the day. That shit was feeling pretty good. I got 4 of them last set. That's what we got here, ladies and gents. Come on. Easy shit here. Come on. Come on. Okay. That went pretty decent. Ooh, I think I'm hitting a PR next set, baby. Come on. Oh, damn. I'm passing out. All right, y'all. This is it. This is it, y'all. Fucking PR. Let's get it. Come on. Let's just jump right into it. Oh. Come on. Oh. Fuck, bro. Ah. Ah. Oh, that's how you fucking fail, ladies and gents. Ah. Live and learn, ladies and gents. Live and fucking learn. All right, y'all. We failed 405, so fuck it. I'm gonna do some back off sets. You know, just going down slowly from all those heavy weights, and just working on control and form. All right, let's do this shit. son of a bitch. Bro, the glutes are fired up. That shit is killing. It didn't record the first set. I ended up just clicking the picture button, but whatever the hell. This is set 2. We're doing single leg extensions. We're going for 4 sets, but I haven't done single leg extensions in way too long, and I kind of need to even out this left leg with this right, because size-wise at least, my left leg is definitely lagging a bit. So how I do that is going to do a little bit more on my left leg, and just so I probably do 2 reps less on my right. All right, so let's do it. Set 2. All right. Okay, yeah, that was great. All right, set 2 down. 2 of 4. Let's keep this shit pushing. All right, set 3 of these hoes. Let's get this shit rolling. Ah, son of a bitch, bro. Oh, that's great. That's great. Set 3 down. All right, last but not least, you guys, let's after this, I'm going to a smaller muscle group because this shit is killing right now. I'm dying in this bitch. Second exercise in. I guess that's how it should be. Come on. Oh, fuck. Oh man, yeah, they're about to fall off, y'all. This shit cooking these legs up. That's what we're here for. All right, so one of these Nordic curls, y'all. You know, I used to hate these bitches, but man, there's so much benefits to it. It's like, how can you hate this shit, right? I mean, it's understandable if you do, because it makes you want to die sometimes. But whatever the fuck, let's make this shit happen. Set 1. Oh, that last one almost fucking killed me. All right, let's move the fuck on. This shit is cooked. Set 1. Fuck. All right, set 2. I definitely added more weight. So these, if y'all don't know, the more weight you add, the easier it is. I added more because I'm trying to get more reps out of this shit. And oh, that first set was fucking me up. So let's do it. Set 2. Come on. Oh, was still rough as hell. Jesus Christ. All right, y'all. I'm done with these bitches. Last set. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna go on for 7 to 10 around here. Nothing crazy, but come on. Hold on. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's all. I don't need no more than fucking 7. Lord have mercy. All right, y'all. It's my last workout of the day. Y'all don't know, tib raises are the way to go, especially if you're a runner or if you just like got ankle or knee issues. This can very much be a new exercise that you should add to your program because it helps strengthen overall muscles around your joints here. Not just your knees, but also your ankles. So it strengthens up the feet as well. So man, you got a 3-for-1 combo with these. So let's do this shit. All you're doing is back and butt against the wall. Raising up your toes as much as you can go. Slowly going all the way back. All right. The farther out, the harder. So here you go. Fuck. Oh shit. Yeah, those bitches burn too. All right, set two, y'all. I like these also because you don't need that long of a break. You can really just jump right into the next set. I give myself like 30 seconds to a minute, and I'll just do it. Set two. Ah, son of a bitch, bro. Oh, man, that shit is on fire, doggy. All right, y'all. Man, I just capped my ass off that last set. The last set got my fucking tibs on fire. I had to take a 2 minute break on that one. I think I was a little too optimistic. I jumped right into that one, but let's do it. Set three. Come on. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, shit. Okay, that shit was rough. Let's keep this shit pushing. All right, y'all. It's about that time we finish up with this pump check. Yeah, it was a pretty good one, y'all. I failed the PR, but I did hit my first PR at 385 times two, so it was a pretty good day. All right, let's get this shit. These legs checked out. Come on. Ah, I know I didn't hit my upper body, but shit, you gotta check it all out almost every time. Ooh, I gotta go too crazy with that today, y'all. It was just legs, so that's what I got for everybody. Man, if y'all can like, comment, share, subscribe, all that, this will really help me out and keep me pushing it in here. Cause I'm already gonna do my best to keep pushing, but I just give me a little bit more motivation when y'all rocking with me. All right. Again, thank y'all for tapping in. I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right. Boom.